Kristen, what'd you get? Good, let's take a look and see if that's right. All right, so we're going to use the properties of exponents here, right? So we have an exponent taken, or with a power taken to another power. So what do you do when you take a power to a power? You multiply their powers. So we're going to take this power of p plus 2, and we're going to multiply it by this power of 3. Do the same thing with the second one. Our base of x is a power taken to a power, so we're going to multiply those powers. 3 times the p minus 2. And so if we simplify what we have in these radicals, we have x to the 3p plus 6, distributing the 3. Here we have x to the 3p minus 6. Again, just distributing the 3 through up here. And so now we switch properties. We're still dealing with exponents here, but now we're multiplying two exponents with the same base. So what do you do with the powers when that happens? You add them. So we take 3p plus 6 plus 3p minus 6, and then just simplify what you have. So the minus 6 and the plus 6 cancel, leaving x to the 6p. Very good. All right, and so that would be your simplified form. All right, let's try this other example. Again, somewhat similar. All right, see if you can simplify this fraction, please. Did anybody give an answer here? Jamie, the what? Okay, so x to the 6q, let's test that and see if it's correct. So here we're dealing with division, or quotients of two exponents with the same base. So when you have that, you can combine them into one single base, and you do what with their powers? You subtract their powers. So we take the power of the first minus the power of the second. Now notice, when I subtract the powers in the second, I put grouping symbols around them. That allows me to avoid the mistake of not distributing correctly, but I am going to distribute my negative through. When you distribute a negative, basically subtracting a quantity is like adding the opposite. So we can turn this to an add, and we change the sign of each individual term. Okay, so when we simplify, we get 2p minus 2p, those cancel. 3q plus 3q gives us 6q, and that winds up being our answer. Okay, very good.